Hey dear users. Welcome to the Agile Store Locator add-ons for WooCommerce plugin. Agile Store Locator is the most sought-after store locator plugin in the market in 2022. In this video, we're going to see the top-rated Agile Store Locator add-ons for WooCommerce individually. So if you are looking to take your WooCommerce website to new heights, let's get started with the video. Our first tutorial describes how to develop a relationship between stores and products, how to assign stores stock, sale price, and quantity, and how to select store locations on the page. Let's now see the front-end display of the store stock and store price. Select the Fashion Style store. Here you can see the stock and pricing are available on the product page. In this product and cart widget tutorial, we're going to see how to display the store list either on the cart page or the product page. Once you arrived at the Agile Stores add-ons dashboard, let's begin our exploration with the product page feature. Choose the large size and black color options. Here you can see the product page widget appearing just above the Add to Cart button. Now select Cart Page widget so store lists can be seen on the cart page. Here you can see the store list widget appearing on the cart page. Select the store and let's proceed to the checkout. In this import and export feature, we'll show you how to add fields such as products ID, sale price, store IDs in the spreadsheet, and how to import the CSV file. The local pickup feature helps your customers to pick up their orders themselves, and you can assign a local pickup shipping method to specific stores as you want. Choose the local pickup option, and click on the Select Store button. Select the store Fashion Style store. Payment method works similar to the local pickup feature does, but it also helps you to assign different payment methods to different store locations anywhere in the world. We're going to explore how to use shipping distance rate in Agile Stores add-ons for WooCommerce. We're also going to see how many types of shipping rules are and how to create the shipping distance rate rule. Here we can see the 3 shipping methods. Let's select the store distance rate. Click on the Select Store button, and select the Fashion Style store. Here you can see the store distance rate. Let's see another cool feature, location picker at checkout, and how to use and detect location on the website. This feature helps customers to select their locations through map. That'll automatically fill the fields in the respective billing form. In this tutorial, we're going to see how to add shipping zones and shipping methods and assign them to the specific store's locations through the Agile Stores add-on Shipping Zones feature. We'll also see how to create shipping zones and shipping methods leveraging WooCommerce tabs. You can also assign multiple shipping zones, shipping methods and payment methods as well to multiple store locations. You'll also need to enable the shipping zones and assign shipping zones to stores to view shipping methods on the cart or checkout page. That's all from this tutorial. We hope you like it. If you want to watch all tutorials individually, you can watch them in the playlist section of our channel. Stay tuned for more Agile Stores add-ons for WooCommerce tutorials. Until then, goodbye.